Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to be replacing the ice bucket inside of our Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator with this ice bucket. And Electrolux Frigidaire sent this ice bucket because of a recall. So I had to go to their website, check to see if our refrigerator was included in the recall, and then once I found out it was, I filled out some information, and they sent this new ice bucket to my house. And I have another video where I talk more in depth about the recall. And if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to watch that video first. I'll link that video on the screen now. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to open up the box here. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and read any information that comes inside of the box. So, okay. Okay, it's taped all the way around. I'll be right back. I'm just going to get a pair of scissors to cut this piece of tape. There's some more tape going around the side, so I'm just going to be really careful. I don't want to hurt the new ice bucket. I'm just going to cut that tape as well. Okay, so here is the new ice bucket, and with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can, and what you can't recycle, make sure to dispose of properly. Okay, so there are some instructions in here, and some warning information, so make sure to read through all of this information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read through this information, and then I'll be back and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I read through this information and I cleaned out the ice bucket just because, ice is going to be going in here. So I just cleaned out the ice bucket and then made sure that it's completely dry. And now I'm ready to install the new ice bucket. First I need to take the old ice bucket out. And you need to make sure that the ice maker is turned off. So let's head over to the fridge and then we'll go from there. Okay, our ice maker on our fridge is already turned off, but I'm going to show you how to do this just so you can see how to turn the ice maker off, because you need to turn the ice maker off before you remove the old ice bucket and install a new ice bucket. So I'm going to press where it says options right here, and the very top option is ice maker, and you can see that it says off. But if you press either the plus or the minus button, you can change that from on to off. And then if you wait long enough, it will beep like that, letting you know that's the selection. You can also when you get to off, you can press the set button, and it will beep as well to let you know that that's selected. So I'm going to let you listen to that beep one more time. Or if we were to use the set button, and again, you can use the plus or the minus. Okay, and then I'm going to press the options button here to exit. Okay, so the ice maker is turned off on our fridge. So now I'm going to remove the old ice bucket. Okay, so I'm going to open up the freezer door gently here. And the ice bucket is going to be full of ice, so you want to be aware that this is going to be heavy when you take it out. And to do this, I'm just going, in the ice in this ice bucket, I've already emptied it. But to take the ice bucket out, I'm just going to slowly start to pull the ice bucket out like this. And then you want to make sure to support the bottom of the ice bucket as you do this, because it's going to be heavy. And just be careful because there are pinch points. And then here's the old ice bucket. I'm just going to set it off to the side for now. And then in here, there were, in the other video that I did, there was some ice and some plastic that I had to clean out just to get this area all clean. And when you do that, you want to be careful just not to hurt yourself. But I just cleaned out all of the ice, and there were some plastic pieces in there as well. So, and you just want to be careful if you have to do this, but, because there are pinch points, you don't want to hurt yourself. But, I just had to gently turn this just so the back part lined up properly so I could install the ice bucket. So, okay, I might have to do that. Let's see here. I'm going to move the tripod back. So I just moved the metal piece inside so these pieces on the back look like this, and I think this is going to allow the ice bucket to be put in. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and when I was starting to edit the video, I realized that when I was installing the ice bucket that my head was in the way, so I'm redoing this part of the video. And when you install the ice bucket into the freezer, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. Okay, so I'm holding on to the bottom of the ice bucket with one hand, which is helping to support the ice bucket. And then with my other hand, I'm holding on to the front of the ice bucket, which is also helping to support the ice bucket. And I'm just lining up the ice bucket with where it goes in the freezer, and then going to slowly slide it into place. And I'm just paying attention to where my hand is on the bottom of the ice bucket and just moving it slowly as I go, just making sure that it doesn't get pinched. And I'm almost out of space with where my hand is on the bottom of the ice bucket, so I'm going to remove that hand and then just continue to slowly and gently slide the ice bucket into place. And then just make sure that the ice bucket is secured all the way into place. And now I'm going to shut the freezer door. Okay, so the ice maker is currently turned off, so I'm going to turn the ice maker back on. And to do that, I'm going to press the options button. And ice maker is selected. It's the top option there, and it's currently set to off. So to change that to on, I'm going to press the plus or the minus button. I'll press the plus button to change it to on, and then I'm going to press the set button to select on once I get to that point. And it beeped there to let me know that the ice maker is now selected to on. And now I'm going to press the options button to exit. All right, guys, and then with the old ice bucket, just make sure to dispose of it properly. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.